Have you ever wanted to start strength training but didn't know where to begin? Well, you're not alone. This can be a common hurdle for many who are new to the fitness scene. But fear not, because today, we're going to break down the process of starting strength training into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Before we continue, like, comment, share, and subscribe. First, understand that strength training offers numerous health benefits. It's not just about building muscle or looking good, it's about improving overall health and well-being. Starting is simpler than you might think. You don't need a personal trainer or fancy equipment. Basic exercises like squats and lunges can form a solid foundation. These exercises target major muscle groups and include essential core work. Now let's talk about weights. Choose weights that allow you to do 10 to 15 reps comfortably. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weight possible, it's about maintaining proper form to prevent injury. Aim for about 30 to 60 minutes per session, with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps per exercise. This might sound like a lot, but once you get into the swing of things, you'll find it becomes part of your routine. Starting strength training can be a bit intimidating, and beginners often underestimate their strength. So, start with manageable weights and gradually progress as your strength improves. There's also a place for interval training in your fitness journey. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is popular for calorie burning, but variations like high-volume intensity training, variable intensity interval training, and sprint interval training cater to different fitness goals and levels. Before starting any new exercise program, consult a doctor and always stop if you experience pain. It's essential to find a routine that you enjoy to maintain regular physical activity for overall well-being. Finally, don't forget about the importance of diet. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals and adding regular snacks can maintain energy levels and prevent hunger. Balancing calorie intake and protein consumption supports muscle growth and fat loss. To recap, starting strength training involves choosing basic exercises, selecting the right weights, aiming for a certain number of reps and sets, and gradually increasing your weights. Don't forget the importance of a balanced diet and the role of interval training in your fitness journey. Remember, it's not about how fast you can get there, but about making consistent progress. So get out there and start your strength training journey today. This video is for informational purposes only. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Top Trending Health News Scoop to see more videos like this. Until next time.